press any function button besides hour or minute to exit mode and activate the selected function. If you do nothing for a period of 5 seconds, the mode will be exited. Setting the automatic shutoff time. Your coffee maker can be programmed, to automatically shut off from 0 to 4 hours, after brewing is complete. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. How does it know? It's so cool. I know. It's the coolest coffee maker I've ever seen. You ever seen it? Look at it. It's beautiful. Do you see it? Oh, you want to read some more? Okay. Let's read some more. Entering automatic shutoff time mode. To view the current setting, press and hold the on-off button until the red light and LCD display begin to flash. Set desired shutoff time by pressing the hour button to scroll from 0 to 4. To exit, do nothing for 5 seconds. Programming automatic shutoff time after brewing is complete. He's reading with me. When programming shutoff time after brewing is completed, the unit automatically accounts for elapsed time. Isn't it amazing? Oh, you crack me up. I know. What are you going to read now? You want to go ahead and skip ahead?
Alright, that's a good long one.